Hello shoppers, want to order from Temu with cash on delivery in 2025? So COD is a great way to pay when your items arrive, but it's not available everywhere. Guys, Temu offers cash on delivery in select countries like the UAE, Saudi Arabia and Oman, but only under conditions. Users must be below 1,865, 75 SAR, 1,837.5 AED, or 187.5 OMR with no security risks and SMS verification. Open the Temu app, go to support, then customer service. Alright, as you can see, we are in the support section now. And then you need to basically contact the customer support through your settings and ask if your code is available in your region. It's not offered in the US or UK, says playbyte.com. After that, you can just browse the Temu app, Home or Categories app, add items to your cart, and tap Checkout. Enter your shipping address accurately. COD needs SMS verification, so use a valid phone number. At the payment screen, look for cash on delivery if available. If it's not listed, you'll need to use PayPal, Apple Pay, or card instead. I missed code once because my order was too large. Keep it under limit. Select code apply any promo codes like TEM13 for up to 30% off and tap submit order. You'll get an SMS to verify the order before delivery, which takes 6 to 25 days. And lastly, pro tip, order samples to test code reliability. Questions, share them below, like and subscribe and ring the bell for more shopping tips. See you next time.